Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here. Gonna do a unboxing video that is unlike any other unboxing video you've seen on YouTube. And if you don't want to watch, just skip through, don't need to. But just for the people who are interested in this, this is a sealed Dr. Atkins diet weight loss kit from 1999. You believe that? Been unopened this whole time. And I've seen, where does it say that? It is copyright 1999, Robert C. Atkins. I've seen these two videos before. They're posted on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description, and I appreciate those YouTubers for posting that content. But what I've never seen is what's included in this kit. And so I bought this kit, factory sealed, off eBay. You gotta love it, for $10 shipped. And the thing is when you watch these videos, Dr. Atkins, who I'm a huge fan of, by the way, talks about these meal planners and talks about the other things that are included in it. But, you know, for the good, kind people who've posted those VHS videos, they don't seem to have those booklets. And so what I want to do is open this up on YouTube. And I want to tell y'all something real quick. I mean, I'm not going to go into great detail, but I came across several years ago on YouTube a guy named Butter Bob Briggs. And before then, I didn't know much about Atkins or eating low carb, other than, you know, how, quote, at least from the 1990s, that Atkins was bad and unhealthy and all that business. And, you know, stay away from it. Anyway, I did Atkins, i.e. low carb, keto, Butter Bob Briggs, whatever you want to call it, a couple years ago, and I lost 80 pounds, which was pretty amazing. And you know what? I got off of it and went back to the regular way I was eating. And guess what happened? I gained 80 pounds back. Not overnight. It took about 6 months. And I got up and I said, what am I doing? And so what I did is I started doing Atkins again. And since I've started doing it again, I've lost 40 pounds. And so I've been re-enthused about my Atkins quest. And, you know, one of the big questions I've always had with Atkins is, you know, when you're going, if you go through the older materials or read the older books, which I have read his 1972 book, I've read his 1999 book, I've watched these videotapes, but I'm like, what are the other things that this thing comes with? Well, here we go. Let's take a peek at these. I'm not going to go page by page, but let's see what this is. So this is Basic Diet Manual, Dr. Atkins' New Personalized Weight Loss for Life System, Atkins Answer. Notes, that's so funny. Anyway, though, that's not funny. This is all pre-cell phone, so people are totally taking notes in little booklets. My dad went around with a little pocket calendar. It was scribbled with all kinds of handwritten notes about everything. Phase 1, maximizing the fat burning. Well, this is all very helpful. Dinner ideas. Interesting. You know, you watch these Atkins videos or read the Atkins books, they're always like, you can eat this and this and this, and oh yeah, all these delicious meals and recipes. And you're like, what are the delicious meals and recipes? Anyway, this is all intriguing. Foods to avoid, white bread, that's a killer for sure. Anyway, maybe I should make a separate video that's page by page of all this. Let's see what this says. 14-day maximum fat burning foods. Well, this is helpful. Phase 1. During the first 14 days, you will switch your body from a carbohydrate burning to a fat burning metabolism. Just so y'all know, for me, whenever I clamp down on my carbs, I'm usually able to get into ketosis in about 2 days. And the way I can tell it is not only is there a feeling, but I like to use these keto strips that you can get off Amazon, and they, you urinate on them, and they show sort of what level of ketosis you might be in. Interesting. There's a lot of good information in here. Looks like there's recipes in here. Low carb recipes. Barbecued spare ribs. I wonder what he's saying to use for the barbecue sauce, if there's any barbecue sauce. This is 2 teaspoons hot pepper sauce. You know what? I'm going to have to try some of these recipes. I've never had, quote, Atkins, from an actual Atkins booklet recipes before. Well, here's one thing we can help y'all with, is how many pages are in this little book. It also has a little section for notes. It's so cute. How many pages of information? 98 pages. Anyway, if you've never watched, if you're interested in the Atkins diet, these videos that are from the old days in the 1990s with Dr. Atkins talking, they're cool and they're worth watching. And it works. And it works and it keeps working as long as you stay on it. Or if you can, you know, somehow get off and then like get off the Atkins low carb keto and then possibly switch to just watching your calories. That would work too. But man, it's easy to let the carbs creep in and the weight just gain on. You know, when I was in high school, y'all, I was so skinny. I was the height I am now, 6'7", but I weighed 162 pounds, if you can believe that. And I couldn't gain any weight, none whatsoever. Our basketball coach had me trying to get bulked up and eating or consuming Joe Weider weight gainer and eating peanut butter and banana sandwiches every night, and I couldn't gain anything. Now I can just gain weight effortlessly. So easy. Anyway, hope this helps somebody, and thanks for watching, and y'all make it a great day.